Hey guys, CryptoDad here again. And today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you the new Ledger Nano S White Paper Edition, Limited Edition. So let's get going. Okay, so Ledger Nano S has come out with a new version, which I promptly ordered. And I'm just going to show you what's inside it. I've done lots of Ledger videos. I've never done an unboxing. So I was kind of excited about this and wanted to share it with you. So let's dive right in. Okay, so here we are. We've got the box. Just came in from France. So opened it with a bit of difficulty. They've got this little circuit like wax seal thing, which is kind of cool. Not really sure what that's for. And here we are, the front of the box. A little hard to tell, but there's a bunch of lettering kind of embossed on the box. It's pretty cool. All right, and so the first thing you'll notice when we open it up is that we've got the Sgt. Pepper type cover. Pretty cool little analogy of, you know, the creme de la creme of the Beatle album. This is like the creme de la creme of Bitcoin, and so you can see that they've pretty much mimicked the Sgt. Pepper album cover. Those of you who are young enough, old enough to remember such a thing. And then there are a lot of interesting people here. We've got Hal Finney, Alan Turing, Stephen Hawking, and William F. Friedman. These are all people. And then there's Ada Lovelace back there, the first programmer, and Albert Einstein. And I guess if you sat here and checked it out, you'd see quite a few famous faces. Pretty interesting. There's Dogecoin. Not really sure who all of the people are. And then there's a little Campbell's soup can down there. Kind of an Andy Warhol reference. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. And when we open it up, you'll see there's our Ledger Nano S. Okay, so you can see there that it was personally signed by someone at the Ledger factory. Kind of a personal touch. Makes you feel kind of warm and fuzzy. So let's check this thing out. This is the Ledger Nano S White Edition. You can see the case is white, and then on the back they've got the little Bitcoin birthday commemoration. That adds a little flair to the whole thing. Something you can have and hold. And there we can see now that it's got all of the same functionality as a normal Ledger Nano S. The buttons, the screen, USB port. There's nothing really functionally different about this one. All of the uniqueness is just cosmetic, but pretty cool. And then if we go inside here, you can see they've got a little poster with that Sgt. Pepper cover thing on there. And now we can see that much like the original Sgt. Pepper LP insert, there's a list of all of the people that are represented on the picture, so that you can match names to faces. Pretty cool. So this is something that you can have and hold and kind of put on your wall. It's pretty neat. Okay, and then moving on, you can see they have a mini version of the map showing you the positions and the names of all the famous people. And then here we go. This is the coup de grace, the little pamphlet version of the Bitcoin white paper. The original white paper that was presented in a cryptography forum outlining Bitcoin and how it works. Really changed the world. So I would encourage you to read that. And then we also have the normal accessories that come with the Ledger Nano S. This is the little welcome packet. It's got all the warranty information and the setup link. It's in French and English. This is a French company, so that's pretty cool. And then here's the recovery sheet. One of the most important things about the Ledger. You can write down your 24-word recovery phrase on this card and keep it in a safe place. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the Ledger Nano S, please throw them up in the comments. I've got lots of other videos on how to use the Ledger Nano S, so I encourage you to check out my channel and find those if you need specific instruction. I'd like to remind everyone that I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A from LA. Throw out any questions that you have, and I look forward to seeing you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.